Hello folks. Welcome back to Tap Track Studios. In this channel, you'll find FL Studio mobile content, along with some valuable tips and tricks. By the way, 89% of viewers are watching my videos without subscribing, so please do consider subscribing. Let's get started. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to manage your files and locate them within FL Studio Mobile. First we have chord set. Chord set are the collection of chords that we use on piano roll, and you can do quick save and load easily to save your time. How to save chord sets? First open FL Studio Mobile and go to the piano roll editor. Second, tap keyboard to chords and tap on this 3 lines and tap on open editor. Now piano editor will open, and now you have to choose the keys on piano roll. Third, tap save to save your chord set and give your chord set a name and save it. This chord set will be saved on FLM user files, my chord sets folder. How to load chord sets? First, to load a saved chord set, tap the chord sets button and select load chord set. Second, choose the chord set that you saved earlier, and it will be applied to your pattern. Second we have my drumsets. Drumsets are a collection of sounds that make up a drum kit. This is not a drum sample data, it's a preset data that loads the samples into a drum kit. Here I am saving this drum set as an example. Tap and hold for channel settings. And tap on save drum set and give your drum set a name and save it. This drum set will be saved on FLM user files, my drum sets folder. How to load drum set? First open drum sequencer. Tap and hold, you can see these settings. Second, tap on load drum set option. Third, choose the drum set you saved earlier, and it will be applied to your pattern. Third we have my instruments. Place all DWP instrument files in my instruments folder. What is DWP? DWP is a direct wave program. DWP files can be used to share custom instruments and sounds, load and edit existing patches, create new sounds and instruments with high quality. By using DWP files, you can expand your sound palette and enhance your music productions. In FL Studio Mobile, you can export .dwp and .insta files only directly from the FL Studio PC version. You can only access these files through Direct Wave plugin on FL Studio Mobile, but you can't make DWP files on FL Studio Mobile. Fourth we have my MIDI. This is a folder where you can store and manage your MIDI files and presets here. How to save MIDI files? For example, I want to save this melody into MIDI format. Tap and hold for channel settings, and tap on save as MIDI, and give your MIDI a name and save it. This MIDI will be saved on FLM user files, my MIDI folder. How to load MIDI files? First, add any instrument on piano roll. Tap and hold on piano, you can see these settings. Second, tap on import MIDI tracks option. Third, choose the MIDI file you saved earlier, and it will be applied to your piano roll. 5th we have my presets. This folder contains all plugin presets data that you are saved. For example, instruments and effects. And all music plugins and FX module presets will be saved in .flmpst format. How to save presets from plugins. Add a music plugin or FX module. And tap on this 3 lines for plugin settings, and tap on save preset, and give your preset a name and save it. This preset will be saved on FLM user files, my presets folder. How to load preset. First, open music plugin or FX module. Second, tap on preset name. Third, choose the preset you saved earlier, and it will be applied to plugin. 6th we have my racks. The racks folder in FL Studio Mobile allows you to save and load custom plugin chains and effects configurations. You can use this racks folder to organize your favorite effects and plugin combinations, and making it easy to access and reuse them in your projects. How to save rack presets. For example, I am going to save this rack. Tap on this 3 lines, the menu will open. And now tap on save rack, and give your rack preset a name, and save it. This rack preset will be saved on FLM user files, my racks folder. How to load rack presets. To load a saved rack preset, open a new project or existing project. And select the rack you want to load, and tap on 3 lines for menu option, and tap on load rack preset, and select the rack preset that you are recently saved. And it will be applied to your plugin chain. By using the racks folder effectively, you can save your time and workflow, and focus on creating music in FL Studio Mobile. 7th we have my recordings. The audio recordings in FL Studio Mobile are stored in my recordings folder, and they are saved in WAV format, which is an uncompressed audio format. This means high quality audio and flexibility. High quality audio WAV files retain the original audio quality without any lossy compression. Flexibility. You can choose from different bit depths, 16, 24, or 32-bit, to suit your needs. 8th we have my samples. The samples folder in FL Studio Mobile allows you to store and access your audio samples, such as drum kits, loops, and sound effects. You can also use the samples folder to organize your samples, making it easy to find and use the sounds you need in your projects. 9th, we have my songs. You can see all your FL Studio Mobile project files are saved in this folder. 10th, we have my tracks. In this folder, you can see all saved rendered tracks here. 11th, we have online content. The online content folder in FL Studio Mobile stores all downloaded online content, including presets, samples, loops, and effects, making it easily accessible for your music productions. 12th, we have recently deleted. The recently deleted folder in FL Studio Mobile is a temporary storage for files and projects that you are deleted. To access the recently deleted folder, open FL Studio Mobile and tap on Songs tab. And look for the recently deleted folder. Here you can do restore deleted files and projects. And you can delete your files and projects permanently. And last we have themes. The themes folder in FL Studio Mobile allows you to customize the look and feel of the app. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more FL Studio Mobile content.